My people, as we all know, February 4th, 2025 is tomorrow, right? Yes, it's tomorrow. And this thing they are asking that February 4th is like a compulsory marriage conference for the divorce court case between Yul and Edochie. So what they are going there for now is, according to the news that we're hearing, is for them to present their financial statements, you know, and to my understanding, last year, you tried as much as possible to avoid that one. I think it was his lawyers that represented him. He clearly avoided it, and he thinks that he can continue to do that. Like I always say, if now a place where we have functioning system, a functioning system, there's a limit to which you can claim I'm sick. There's a limit where you can openly disobey the law. They will arrest you. When they arrest you, they'll lock you up. They'll put you in jail. Then you'll be going to court, from jail to court. Since you are disobeying there, so they will put you there. They will not grant you bail. And I hope this happens if he disobey this time, because the guy they try to, they won't do, like say he won't punish Queen May. He won't delay the divorce proceedings so that Queen May will not get divorced. Because are you, like DPA clearly explained to us, you don't need to sign nothing. They just need documents and facts put together, and the judge is going to grant the divorce. They don't even need you, Edochie, at all for the divorce to go through. And I think, me now speaking, I'm not a lawyer. From what I see and what I feel that I know, I am thinking that all these financial reports that they are asking is for them to see who is going to be capable to take care of the children, who is capable to have the full custody of the children. Because, the report of the court sittings with respect to that November 6th, 2024, the sittings that they had in 2024 on the cause listed that according to, I'm reading it now, they said Lady May Edochie versus Yul Edochie. Apparently, we all knew that it was Queen May that sued Yul Edochie. Parties absent. Counsel to the petitioner in court. No legal representative for the respondent. Now, understand that. So that means the parties absent, the people that were absent, the counsel to the petitioner. The petitioner is Queen May, while the respondent, representative for the respondent, was absent from court. According to the petitioner counsel, no CMC has held. In the light of the above, court adjourned the matter to Tuesday, February 4th, 2024 for report of CMC. So this case has continued to be adjourned since 2024. So the attendance is mandatory this time. What happens at a compulsory marriage conference in a divorce case? Attendance is mandatory. Both parties are required to attend, and failure to do so may result in penalties or court filings being held in the absence of party absence. Okay, that's one. Number two, they said judge or mediator oversight. A judge, which is going to be a magistrate or a court-appointed mediator, facilitates discussions to ensure fairness and encourage resolutions. The review of dispute issues. The main point of contention, such as child custody, property division, alimony, and financial matters, are reviewed. This alimony make me fear. Yeah. The financial disclosure. Both parties may need to submit financial documents such as income statements, tax returns, and property valuation. The reason why that alimony no go make me fear, I go explain to you now. There's settlement negotiation. The court encourages both sides to reach an agreement on custody arrangements, spousal support, which is the alimony that I said I'm scared about right now, spousal support and asset division to avoid a full trial. The legal guidance. The judge or mediator may explain how the law applies to the case, what likely what the likely outcome of a trial could be, and you know what it could be. My people, let me explain it the way I understand what I just read. With that alimony and the spiritual support, I think is the same thing. I beg all the counsel in the house, please correct me. I'm not a lawyer. With what I know, I'm saying what I know. The alimony and the spiritual support, I think is the same thing basically. What normally happens in a spousal support alimony cases is that when a spouse is living a lifestyle that one of the other spouse has been sponsoring all this year, so that other spouse that was living that affluence lifestyle could come to court and say, he or she has exposed me to this kind of lifestyle. I will not be able to survive it without continuing to live that kind of lifestyle. So what normally happens is that they will make whoever is more richer to pay either certain amount, which is going to be spousal support or alimony, whichever way they call it in Nigeria. I think in the US here is the same thing. Then they will now, that other person will be paying this spousal support or alimony to the other party. So this case now, one thing I don't understand is the financial report they are asking them to bring, which I think that anything Queen May already made outside of when they were separated is not going to be put in, it's not going to be considered as part of the income she was making while they were together. Yeah, yes, because this income she made while they were separated is totally different from the income that she's making now. And more also, this man don't marry another woman. According to them, they say they don't marry. Make with them they talk say they don't marry, so that they no go take Queen May money go they fund another marriage. Yes, we should be helping them to tell the court that Edochie and Edochie are married. Because they are married, another woman will not be sponsoring their marriage. So that is the fear a lot of people are having right now. Say, hope they won't ask Queen May to support the financial statement of the money and property she earned after this the separation. She should equally be given a greater share in all the properties for her and her kids, which I believe is going to be. But because of the system we have in Nigeria, and especially for the fact that she built that house, she should be able to collect that property. So another concern that a lot of people were raising was that they want Queen May to take the house because the house belongs to her, because she spent 90%, though Peter Edochie said 80%. But we all know that it's even 100%. Peter Edochie was just trying to make his own song relevant, So we all know that it's 100%. So, but let's say, okay, 80% that Edochie contributed 20%. So that 20%, the house cannot be cut into 4 places, or 4 places now 25% safe, and give him part. So they will definitely probably have Queen May to that 20% to give it in financial benefit to May, just like Coral Biddy paid Justin Dean off with that $50,000. So that could be what will happen. Me now speaking, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a judge, but I'm just thinking aloud from most controversial and public profile divorces that I've seen that are like this in the past. So where that is US, here is not Nigeria. So I don't know. Normally they would try to want to take everything to favor the man, because they believe that even if not the woman build the house, because you are married to that man, they believe that it is the man that own the house. So this is the reason why a lot of women now, please, they use on her name, they do everything for herself. Oh, now they use on her name. It's very important. So, and another concern a lot of people were raising was that how can a woman, another old woman, you are complete, your hand and leg complete. You sit down for us, they do full-time housewife. Then you want me to go collect somebody else's wealth that she has worked for all her life. She's been working so that you will just sit down and be enjoying that woman's sweat. That na ikpe na. No, the one Yoruba they call it ikpe. Sweat course. Now you they pack for your own head and your children's generation head. Because before that woman go to give that money to you every day, even if she no cost food, God of heaven don't cost you. Anyway, that is greed, number one, it's greed. I mean, I heard this one here. We'll continue to watch and follow up with this February 4th mandatory court conference for the divorce case. I will see how it goes. Please share this video. My name is Patience, and this is Patience Vlogs. Thank you, and God bless you.